Hello everyone, this is a program which I made where you can log in as a user and you can create your account and see all the other users, and you can send them friend requests and they can accept and become your friends. So let's see how it works. First, let's just run the program. So you can press L if you already have account, you can press R if you want to register, U to see the users. Let's press U, no users right yet. So let's register. Username would be, let's say, hello. The password would also be hello, and you can press P to see your username and your encrypted password. You can press U to see all the users. There is just one user, which is hello. You can press F to send friend requests, but there is no user yet, so no person named this in the database because there is no one else. So let's log out and register as a new user named world, and password will also be world. And let's see who other users are here. Hello and world. Let's send a friend request by pressing F to hello, and friend request has been sent to hello. And now let's, by pressing S to see all the friend requests that you have sent. A friend request has been sent to hello. Let's log out and log in as hello. Enter their username and password. Now let's see if hello has received any friend request by FR. Yes, you received a friend request from world, and now you can accept it by pressing AF. Now enter the name of the person whose request you want to accept, and now you and hello are friends. You can enter FD to display all your friends. World is your friend. Let's log out and log in as world. Let's see, press FD to see all your friends. Yes, hello is your friend, and it is just working properly. And thank you for using this program. Thank you.